Okay, so a little update. Took the valley cover off. Did find that almost all of the valley cover bolts were just finger tight. I mean, just barely snug at all. Like somebody had it apart and forgot to snug them up. And got the water pump off. You can see it over there. Just left the hoses on it. Took the grounds loose here. Took the steam pipe off here, so it comes from right there and right there. It crosses over in the front. Took that off, put the bolts back in so I wouldn't lose them. Loosened the bolt on the back of the power steering pump down there, that one right there, and took the front two out. That should be good enough to let the head come loose from there. Took the popped the grommet or the wire connection loose, just a plastic push pin there. Went ahead and undone the alternator so that this I had a little more slack. That plug right there goes down into the alternator down there, but that way it gives me room to get it all the way up out of the way. Of course, had to take the reservoir loose from here and slide it up and lay it over for the power steering. And the hoses fell on me. Okay, got the rockers off on the passenger side and getting ready to pull the push rods, or pull the push rods out, but I want to save them in the right order just in case for some reason I had to go back with them. I don't know which ones went where, so I'm going to fix something to put those in just a second. Gonna have to probably take the header loose down at the bottom so that I can get it out of the way for the head bolts. I can get to them to get them out, but I won't be able to get straight on them for torquing them going in. And since I'm going with the ARP head bolts, you know, I will have to just torque them. At least I won't have to do the angle torque to yields. But still, it'd make it easier to go ahead and get them out. I gotta get the plugs out on this side still too. Should have took them out before I took the header loose. It'd been a little bit easier. Trying to think if there was anything else. I don't think there was. That's where we are for now.